In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple photos in one LinkedIn post. We'll walk through the process on a desktop web browser, keeping things simple and clear so you can share a set of images in a single post without any hiccups. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type LinkedIn and press Enter. Click the official LinkedIn result to go to the site, then sign in if you're not already. Going through search is handy if you don't have the page bookmarked, but you can also go directly if you prefer. Once you land on your LinkedIn feed, look toward the top where you'll see the box that says Start a Post. Click that to open the Post Composer. This is the space where you'll add text, media, and publish your update. Inside the Composer, click the photo or gallery icon to add media. It usually looks like a small picture frame. This opens your computer's file picker so you can choose the images you want to upload. To add multiple photos at once, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each photo you want. If your images are lined up in a row, you can click the first one, then hold Shift and click the last one to select the whole range. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right files. If you click one by mistake, just click it again to deselect before moving on. For best results, choose clear, high-quality images with descriptive file names so you can spot them easily. When you're happy with your selection, click Next. You'll see a preview of your photos arranged together. This is a good time to double-check that everything looks the way you expect. Now add a caption. Keep it concise and helpful. Briefly explain what people are looking at, why it matters, and what you want them to take away. If it fits your post, include a simple call to action, like inviting feedback or directing viewers to learn more. You can also use a few relevant hashtags to help people discover your content, but keep them focused and avoid overloading the caption. When your caption looks good, click Post. LinkedIn will upload your images and publish your update to your feed. If the upload takes a moment, that's normal. Larger files or slower connections can add a bit of time. If something doesn't load, try again with a stable connection or slightly smaller image files. That's it. You've successfully created a LinkedIn post with multiple photos, giving your audience a richer, more engaging update in just a few clicks.